Hello, welcome once again to the new session of Primate Pro, and today we are going to continue with the topic mutation, and this is the ongoing chapter, the molecular basis of inheritance, and today the mutation will be completed and I will try to start with the translation. Okay, so give the heading mutation. Mutation. Okay, now mutation is what? It is a change seen in the genotype or phenotype of a organism. Change in the genotype or phenotype in an organism. Okay, this is called as mutation. Okay, the mutation can be of different type, the point mutation, frame shift mutations, and so on. And now the base of the nucleotide sequence in the DNA, change in the base or nucleotide sequence in DNA. Okay, now the third point is chromosomal structure can be changed. Chromosomal structure may be changed. Okay, chromosomal number can also be changed. Chromosomal number may be changed. Okay. Now, a sudden change. There can be a sudden change in the chromosomal pattern or the genotype or the phenotype. There can be a sudden change, or there can be a slow change. Both the changes can be observed in the mutation. Okay. In case of sudden change, if sudden change happens, what happens if the sudden change is observed? The source of discontinuous variation can be observed. Crossing over is a mechanism that can be observed in the prophase 1 of the cell division in the meiosis. The prophase 1 in the cell division, and there is a phenomena called crossing over is observed in the Pachytene stage. Okay, I will teach it in the cell division chapter. Okay, now in the crossing over, that is continuous variation. The third one is the chemicals. Chemicals are nitrous acid that can cause mutation, mustard gas, it can cause a sudden mutation. Okay, these are called the mutagens. Mutagens are what? That can cause mutation. Okay. Now, some radiations can also cause mutation. Radiation can cause mutation. Alpha, beta, gamma rays. Okay. The segment of DNA undergoes mutation. The segment of DNA undergoes mutation. Now, there are types. One is gene mutation. change in the change in nucleotides of DNA. Nucleotides of DNA. Change in nucleotides of DNA. A substitution that is, if it is CTC, take the T. If it is CTC and it's changed into CAC. Okay, so what happens? The T is replaced by A, that is the thymine is replaced by adenine. Now in this case, a transition are of 4 types can be seen. Transition of 4 types, that is from purine to purine transition. Purine base to purine base. Purine is replaced by purine. In this case, it is a replacement of pyrimidine by purine. Okay. Now, in purine to purine cases, A is replaced by G or G is replaced by A. And in another cases, pyrimidine to purine, pyrimidine is replaced by pyrimidine. In this case, C is replaced by T and T replaced by C. Okay. Now what happens? In the transversion, are of 8 types. So transition are of 4 types and transversion is of 8 types. Okay. Now in transversion, we can see a purine. The purine base is replaced by pyrimidine or pyrimidine replaced by purine. So a purine is replaced by pyrimidine and pyrimidine is replaced by purine. Now what happens? A is replaced by T or A is replaced by C or T is replaced by A or C is replaced by A. Here G is replaced by C, G is replaced by T or T is replaced by G or C is replaced by G. Okay, so have you got it, the transition and the transversion? Okay, now we come to the next part as the frame shift mutation. Frame shift mutation. The total frame is being shifted and the new frame is being created. This is the main concept of the frame shift mutation. The total frame is being shifted and the new frame is being created. In this case, we see 2 types: addition or deletion. Either it will be added or it will be deleted. Okay. Now, in case of addition, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here if we write at ABC, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, it is just for an example. Okay, now what happens? 1, 2, 3 we write at AUG, AGG and GUG. In these cases it's of mRNA. Third one is amino acid. The stop codon is GUG. Now it is being mutated as AUG remains same, while AGG mutates as UAG and the last one is mutated as GGU. Now what happens? The amino acid is changed because the codon is changed, thus the amino acid will get changed. Okay, now here in this case, third base is deleted. Now it creates A, B, D, E, F, G, while H, I. In this case, different codon brings different amino acid. Different codon brings different amino acids. Okay. So have you understood the mutation? More than this, it will not come in the NEET. The mutation, the chapter mutation, the concept mutation consists of a book, but it is not required for your NEET syllabus. So if any question comes from easy to harder, will be restricted by this lecture only. Okay. Now in the next lecture, I will start from the translation. This is a very short videos, and the next lecture will be of translation, which will be coming very soon in the next video within few hours. Okay. Thank you.